In this video, I'll show you how you can convert any video file into audio file. Let's get started. The software that I'll be using is called LosslessCut, and it's an open source software. You can head to this URL. I'll provide the links down in the video description. Basically, this software is available for Windows, Mac, as well as Linux. So you can either download this through GitHub, or it's also available in the Windows App Store. So I'll go in GitHub and you click on this. You have to click on releases section over here. Click on that. The latest version is 3.61.1. As you can see, for all these operating systems, it is available. We'll select Windows, this one, win-x64.zip, and you'll get a zip file which I've already downloaded and extracted. After extracting, you'll get this kind of folder, and in this folder, we'll get this exe file. You simply have to click it to launch the program. So this is the tool that we'll be using. In this, you can import any video file. I'll be using a MP4, but it is also applicable for MKV files or .ts files. So on any file, you can extract the audio using this tool. And the best part about this tool is you will not be re-rendering the audio. So it will be the original lossless audio conversion. So, and that advantage is the time duration of processing will be very quick. Like if the video is several hours long, the audio can be extracted within seconds because we will not be rendering it into a different format. It would be the original format. So I'll show you. We'll open a video file. To open it, either you can drag and drop it over here, or you can click on File, Open. And you can see you import this MP4 file. And in this, you can see at the top over here, the tracks are mentioned. So if an MKV file got multiple tracks, in that case, you can select the track for which you want to extract the audio. Like if it has got a multiple audio tracks, different languages, then you can do that. In this, you can select a particular track which you want to extract. So just click on this, and over here you can see the first track is for video and the second track is audio. You simply have to click on this 3 dots over here. Click on extract this track as file. Once you do that, the audio file will get extracted on the same folder in which the file is present. So in this case, you can see at the top, when you click show, it will open the folder for you. If you have set the working directory beforehand, then it will get extracted to the working directory. Otherwise, it will extract the audio file in the same directory where the file is. In my case, I've already set the working directory, and you can set the working directory by clicking on this over here. You can see your working directory set. Click on this and select the folder where you want to keep the extracted audio files. In this case, I have selected this, and that's why my extraction happened in this particular folder. So once you can see the MP4 file has got an AAC audio file, and there can be scenarios where you do not want the audio to be in the original format, like you want it to be an MP3 format so that the file size is a little bit lesser, and you can play the file on systems which do not support that particular format. So to do that, we'll use VLC. You can convert files using VLC Player also. So I'll show you that method too. Simply have to open VLC and click on Media, and then click on Convert and Save, this option over here. You can see Convert and Save. Click this, select the file by clicking on Add, and then click on, let's say this file, and then click on Convert and Save. And then over here, you can select the profile. If you want to extract the audio, select Audio MP3. If you want the audio to be in MP3 format, if you want it to be in different format, you can select the presets from here. You can see it supports FLAC, CD, OGG, and I guess that's it. So I'll select MP3, and destination folder, you can select it. In my case, I'll select this. So save, and then you can click on Start. So once you do that, you can see the progress bar over here. So this is the conversion process, and this did not happen when we use the other software, that is the LosslessCut software, because we were extracting the original audio in the original format. So we'll wait for this to get the extracted audio in MP3 format. You can see it's around 28 minutes long clip, so it will take some time. While you're performing this extraction in VLC, make sure that you have not selected the loop buttons. Otherwise, it will keep on trying to convert it after it has already converted it the first time. It will keep on looping through it. So this loop option should be switched off. Okay friends, the conversion has finished. You can see I'll go to the location where we have converted it. As you can see over here, these are the two files, and I accidentally did not save the file in the correct format, correct extension. It's in the MP3 file, but it is saved as an MP4. So basically, you simply have to rename it to MP3. So when you are selecting the audio format, make sure that you change the file type to MP3 from MP4. I'll show you exactly where that happens. Over here, when you select the browse destination, over here it will always mention the original format MP4. You just have to make sure that this is selected as MP3. It's not a big deal. You can always rename it like I did here. So once you do that, you can now open the file and it will launch the audio file. So thanks for watching. This is Neil signing off. Subscribe to my channel, HowISolve.com. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.